How to turn on notification on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to turn on notification on your Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on the setting icon which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you can see the option for notifications. Click on it. To turn on the notifications on Zangi app, just toggle all the options over here. Once you toggle it, your notification will be enabled on Zangi app. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna enable notification on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.